Okay, you're welcome back. So we're looking at the frames, the last two. So this just have just one option, the frames. So it has about 10 or 23 different types of frame to choose. Now it has, if you looked at this side, you have to move the frame to this side. It just gets rid of, it's minus 100. Get rid of every frames you're having. When you move it to this place, it gives you the fullness of the frame. So, and what this frame does, you can see it actually crop this image just to give us frame. It crops the image into parts. So it crops it into different, it just crops it a bit. This is not everything. This is how this image looks like. But when you now add frames, now it depends on the kind of image you want. But for this one, I don't want to tamper with this name. No, this is actually a design I did in Pixel Lab. I just added putting it in Snapseed to add some beauty to it. So this was how it looks like in Pixel Lab. No, this was the one I beautified. This was how it looks like in Pixel Lab, the original one. But this was what I turned it to here. So I can now select different border. You look at the edges around this the edges around the side. Okay, so you'll just notice how it is changing. I think this kind of looks cool for this one. So when I reduce the frame to this, it's not looking cool. Okay, so we can just leave it this way. Then you can just choose a different option, the one that's best suits you. Okay, so you can. Alright, so this is also looking cool. This one, this, and just select. Let me stick with that number 4. The one we use number 4. Alright, so I'll just apply. Okay, now I want to apply this number 4. What do I do? What do I do now? So I'll just come to expand. I'll trust the AI of Snapseed to help me feel the outside. It is not actually doing a good job, but I'll take it this way because I know that the border is still going to, the frame is still going to help me, still going to cut that side. Alright, so let me use the frame a bit. Okay, now you can see this is now looking good. Voila, so we have this. You can just successfully export whatever you want to do. So you can just try different options, but for this particular image I'm using, this is what I feel looks good on it. So we'll see in the next video. Oh, this is the